If you want to increase home screen grid from the 4.6 or 5.6 in the Samsung Galaxy S26, you can for sure do this. But first of all, you have to open the Galaxy Store. Now you will have to search for a good lock. And now you have to download this application. Next, you will have to just open it when it will be downloaded. Wait for a loading screen, and right now we have to go for that Home app. You have to download this plugin and then you will have to open it. And right now just turn on the home screen, enable use settings dialog on the home screen, turn it on, and now click and hold empty space on your home screen, go for Home app, and now as you can see we got 4x4, 5x4, but we can even go 7x7 and take a look. You can fit now a lot of more applications on your home screen in the Samsung Galaxy S26. Thanks for watching this video.